With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is genetic material in most of the organisms. Option given are DNA, RNA, both none. So if we'll talk about the genetic material are complete genetic makeup of that organisms which encodes for the particular proteins which are responsible for the various traits present in that organisms. In most of the organisms, here we can write it as most of the organisms, they contain the DNA as a genetic material. Most organisms, they are having the DNA as a genetic material. Although RNA also act as a genetic material, but here we are saying that most of the organisms, this contain the DNA as the genetic material. This is due to the various reason behind DNA being act as a genetic material in most of the organisms. It is due to that, first of all, it is DNA molecule that is structurally comparatively stable as compared to the RNA molecule. It confers the structural stability. That is one of the reason. Second reason is that it is chemically stable. Chemically stable means if we'll talk about the RNA, in case of the RNA, there is here we can write it as in case of the RNA at the sugar molecule, in sugar molecule ribose sugar 2' OH group is present in case of RNA. This 2' OH group, due to this presence of this 2' OH group, RNA is highly reactive in nature. It is not chemically stable, while in case of the DNA, instead of this RNA 2' OH group, simply there is H group is present, no hydroxyl group is present. So due to this, DNA is comparatively much more chemically stable and non-reactive than as compared to RNA. So this is a reason. Third reason is DNA itself has a proofreading capability. So proofreading ability is present in the case of the DNA. If there is a error during replication or any other process, so DNA confers the proofreading ability so that it enables a system to just remove that error, and the proofreading ability has been done. So in this way, DNA is better in every aspect than RNA. That's why in most of the organism, DNA act as a genetic material. But in certain organisms, RNA also act as a genetic material. That organisms are mainly the retroviruses. In retroviruses, the RNA act as a genetic material, but most of the cases DNA act as a genetic material. Option is genetic material in most of the organism. DNA correct, RNA incorrect, both incorrect, none incorrect. Option A, that is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.